Are you planning on moving out of your house before it is completely sold? I have 3 tips for you to ensure successful closing. Number 1, make sure that you have someone, if not yourself, checking in on your vacant house at least once a week, just to make sure that showings have gone well, people haven't gotten things dirty, lights weren't left on, things like that. Number 2, ensure that you have lawn care or snow removal options set up. No one likes to show up for a showing and see unkempt grass or try to trudge up to a front door that's covered in a foot of snow, which I have done before. It just doesn't set the expectation that the home is well cared for, even though you might have cared for it while you lived there. But if you're moving out prior to the house being sold and it's still being shown, you want to make sure, even if you have an accepted offer and you're waiting till closing, make sure that you're going over there once a week and that you're keeping up on lawn or snow care. Number 3, make sure that the temperature is still comfortable even though it's an empty house. So either invest in a programmable thermostat with an app or Wi-Fi access that you can check on it while you're gone and out of the house. But you just don't want to walk into, it happened yesterday, we walked into a house and it was 86 degrees inside. And so instantly they were like, oh, is the air conditioner broken? But the house was vacant. The sellers had left the temperature control set to 80, which is a little high. And same thing, vice versa in the wintertime, you want to make sure that your house is warm enough to make sure you're not going to have any broken pipes, frozen pipes, things like that. So those are 3 tips for a successful closing while you're selling your house.